Send it.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is the from biker, from rider. If your bike a wreck, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yes, yaga yo, we're outside again. Yes, we just filled up, took in £18, 60 pence, 10.34 litres, so yeah, she was empty still. Well, almost. We reset back the miles. And now we're gonna go. We're literally just going for a little bit of a spin, trying to exhaust out first and second gear. Why not? Accidentally slipped into neutral then to us. So yeah, family, I appreciate you all. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're heading up to 1,000 subscribers, man, and couldn't have done it without y'all. You know the dedication's here to get you a video a day. As I said before, apologies, you know what I mean, for, you know, probably about 2 weeks without anything. For those who appreciate, for those who don't, it's alright, man. I just like it. But yeah, I'm back on it now. As I said, I'm trying to build up the catalogue so that I can launch the other thing I'm trying to do. Bear with me. I appreciate everyone's support, patience, and all them things there. But yeah, man, for those who are thinking about doing a motovlog channel, recording on the bikes, all I would say to you guys is just do it intentionally, innit? Don't just post 1 or 2 videos, you know, in 6-7 months and stuff. Do you know what I mean? Just do it, man. Just do it. Just hold the space. Do you know what I mean? As I've said before, family, I challenge you. I challenge you to challenge yourself to do a video a day. A video a day for 30 days and see what happens. That's it. And then come back to me, innit? Do you know what I mean? You show it me, man. And what I'll do is, I mean, nothing special over here yet, but what I'll do is I'll review it. Do you know what I'm saying? I'll review it right here. So if you do a video a day, I will review your videos maybe once or twice a week or something like that, and then we do something. You get me? Oh, the speed camera there. Get around this guy. But yeah, to do it though, family, you gotta enjoy it though, innit? Gotta enjoy doing it now. I don't do anything crazy. You know what I mean? I'm not doing wheelies and stunts and that, you get me? I just come out, bit of throttle therapy, turn the camera on, have a bit of a conversation in it. But what I've started doing now as well is just ASMRs in it, just bike sounds in it. Some people like that. Maybe I need to do some longer ones. Maybe do some with some music on it. Get me bike sounds and music. Do you know what I mean? So if anyone's got any music that's theirs and it's not like copyrighted, I won't get a strike, hit me up, man, on, I don't know, TikTok or even here, and just send me your music in it. I'll put your music on my videos, and I'll obviously call out your name, pause, etc, etc. Nice to cars as well. Nice. On the bicycle holding up the traffic. I should have went around him, man. Come on. Let's draw down the gears, draw down the box. Ooh, hear the popping. Have a look down some of them back roads. Look down some of them back roads there, man. That look like some weird country type back roads, man. Even up there. See while going up Green Lane. Ooh. Yes. Yes. All right. Oh, we got the horses. What's this guy doing? Giving them space. Oh, it was on a little cut through road. I thought that road would have led somewhere, man. Come on, send it. Yes. Hey. Now the sun's coming up. Oh, see, that's some like country lanes, man. I wonder if we should try up there. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Right, we're going to see what going up them country lanes. Stay tuned for more.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a from biker, from rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.